guys doing today? So in this video, I do not know what I'm doing, and I'm just being crazy. Anyway, so come over here. Literally, down there was this potion thingy. I don't know what it was. But it was right there. Had a note, and I put the note in the bin. And then someone disappeared there, ran to there, and then so basically I just opened it. So here it is, guys, and I've been wondering, shall I drink it? Shall I not drink it? Shall I drink it or shall I not? And I've been thinking, I'm gonna say that I'm gonna drink it, but I have to do it this hand because these two fingers they really hurt, so I have to do it this hand over here. Anyway, so to see if what happens, you know. There we go. Oh my god. I have to drink all of it, guys. Nearly elbow. Dude, it's literally all over my face. I'm gonna stop it there. Literally do it. Oh god, that hits. Wow. Dude, what was that? Okay, it's a potion right here. Not so much. There's nothing there, literally, bro. Nothing there. Oh my god, there's actually something there. There's like something down there. Guys, let me see if the note's in the bin. So I did put it in the bin somewhere. No, I don't know where it is. Where could it be? Don't know. Oh my god. I'll throw a phone right now. Downstairs. Hello. What are you doing with my potion? Okay guys, so she literally just said, what are you doing with my potion? I know you can't hear her, but you might hear all the wrinkles, but you gave it to me, bro. No, I didn't. You took it from me. Dude, I didn't take it from you. Literally, you gotta brighten up, pick up. No, you took the potion. I didn't take the potion, guys. You see, I took the potion. Look. This is the potion. It's freezing. Oh my god, it's actually really cold. Look, I'm gonna drink it. 3, 2, 1, ready? Let's see. See, I drank the potion. There we go. Nothing left. There was literally someone right there. Oh my god. There, guys. Do not. Where's my cat? Like, the cat's not in. Getting pretty terrified. Not in at this time. Like, look how that. Look. It was somewhere like around there. Like right there where that light is. So I'm gonna open it.